Hello guys, a warm welcome to my channel. So now we are going to cut out an object from a picture with the help of this software like this one, Adobe Photoshop Mix. It is free to use. So let's see how could we do that. We are going to cut out this picture. No, this not this one. This one, right? Okay. We are going to extract the baby from this picture, like I have already made for this picture. The result is here. It is so clear. Just the baby photo is only extracted from that picture. So currently we are doing this. So let's go to that software, Adobe Photoshop Mix. Open it. Click on this plus button, right side bottom corner. Then select the device. Then we have to find out that picture. I think it is the picture, the second one. So here, look carefully. Here we have to select this cutout tool, the second right option at the bottom. This one, cutout. So in cutout section, just enlarge this picture to fit your screen. Just hover the stylus, or you can do it with your bare hand. Just do like that. If you deselect, if you select something more, don't worry, we can get the scope to remove it. So the first task is to deselect the object. Then click on this brush tool, and it should be selected as merge selection. So now you have to select the basic selection option. So upon selecting the basic selection option, this brush size, right hand side, bottom right hand side, the brush size option is added. So here we have to set the brush size as low as per your convenience. So I'm setting it something between this, and start with the hand portion. So enlarging this portion and click on this option, this add button. So it will enable to subtract. Perfect, all set, all done. So clicking on this tick button, right side bottom corner, this tick button, and here it is. So now we have to save this picture. Click on share button, and now we have to select this save to gallery. Pam param. So our picture should be visible in our gallery. Wow, picture is here. So you can find this one. Super cool, super cool. Just the object is here, so you can place it anywhere. Like let me show you, the usage of this photo extraction or object extraction is like this one, like photo editing tool, and click on double exposure and select that that cropped picture, like this one. So we have created this one, we have created this lasso. Perfect. If you find any difficulties while doing this photo extraction or object extraction, please let me know. I can try to help you as much as I have that knowledge. Thank you. Keep supporting me, and yeah, we'll meet you on the next video. For the meantime, I'd like to request you to comment your thoughts and everything related to this video in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful for you, then please like this video. It will really motivate me to create this kind of productive video for you guys. Thank you. Bye.